Hey Abe, have you heard the news? What? Are you sure? The Moonlight bike ride is back? I've got to go tell everyone. The Chamber's Worksite Wellness Committee's Moonlight bike ride encourages community members to engage in healthy summer activities. This is just one of the many initiatives created to motivate North Iowans to get out and move more. Enjoy various activity stations, music, glow-in-the-dark decorations, and more. At 10, riders will embark on a 10-mile ride with a halfway pit stop at Nyack before returning downtown and being welcomed with breakfast burritos from the Happy Donkey. First Citizens Bank is a proud full moon sponsor of the Moonlight Bike Ride.